Welcome back to Pi Academy. Today our topic is series of function. We learned before series of real number, that is all the element of the series was real number. But in this chapter we learn about series of function, that is all the element of this series are function. And when a series of function convergent. Here two types of convergent. One is pointwise convergent and another is uniformly convergence. Now we discuss about pointwise convergent, uniformly convergent and Cauchy criteria for uniform convergent of series of function. Now the series of function. Let sequence un be a sequence of function defined on E subset R. Then the symbol summation n equal to 1 to infinity un equal to u1 plus u2 plus so on is called the series of function on E. Let Sn, here Sn equal to u1 plus u2 plus dot dot un. And if the sequence Sn converges to a function S on E, then S is called the sum of the series summation n equal to 1 to infinity un. That is, this sequence is called the sequence of partial sum, and if the sequence of partial sum convergent, then we can say that the series is convergent. And if the sequence of partial sum converges to S, then the series will also converges to S, and we can write summation n equal to 1 to infinity un is convergent and this equal to S and this equal to S, that is S is the sum of the series this. Now I discuss about pointwise convergent. So what is pointwise convergent? Definition: a series of function summation un defined on E subset R is said to converge to a function S on closed interval a comma v pointwise if for each small x belongs to E and for any epsilon greater than 0 there exists capital N belongs to natural numbers such that Snx minus Sx less than epsilon for all small n greater or equal to capital N, where Sn equal to the partial sum, that is u1 plus u2 plus dot dot un. Now here the capital N depends on epsilon, the value of capital N depends on epsilon as well as x, because here we can write also n of x comma epsilon, because the value of n depend on x and epsilon. Then we can say that this convergent is pointwise convergent. Now definition of uniform convergent. Definition: a series of function un defined on E subset R is said to converge uniformly to S on E if for any epsilon greater than 0 there exists capital N belongs to n natural number set such that mod Snx minus Sx less than epsilon for all small n greater or equal to capital N and for all x belongs to E. Here capital N depends only epsilon, not on x, but we see that in pointwise convergent this capital N depends on x and epsilon both, but in uniform convergent capital N depends only on epsilon but not on x. Here this is the difference between pointwise convergent and uniformly convergent. And uniformly convergent is a global property, but pointwise convergent is a local property. And if a function is uniformly convergent throughout a interval, then between this interval any point of this interval the series of function pointwise convergent. But if a series of function pointwise convergent in a particular 1 point or 2 point, we cannot say that the function is uniform convergent on throughout interval. Now there is a necessary and sufficient condition for uniform convergent, that is Cauchy criteria. And by Cauchy criteria we can say when a series of function converges uniformly, and if a series of function converges uniformly, then we can say that the series of function satisfy Cauchy criteria. So what is the Cauchy criteria? It is very important to solve any problem. The series of function un defined on E subset R converges uniformly if and only for any epsilon greater than 0 there exists capital N belongs to natural numbers such that smx minus snx less than epsilon for all mn greater or equal to capital N and for all x belongs to E, where Sn equal to u1 plus u2 plus dot 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 un. The series of functions summation un converges uniformly on E if and only if the partial sum, that is the sequence Sn, converges uniformly on E. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Pi Academy and hit the bell icon to get all the notification of my new videos.